Hi, Amos here. I'm at the HeadFi South California headphone meet, and yesterday I paid a visit to Astle & Kern, and thanks to the guys there I have a review unit of the AK240, the flagship digital audio player, and today I'm going to unbox it for you. So without further ado, let's get started. Get that nicely in the middle there for you, everyone to see. I did have a chance to play with one of these, actually a few of them, with some headphones adapted to balanced use, and I'll be giving my impressions of that, of course, later on in the video. But suffice to say, so far I'm quite impressed with this as a unit, and especially feature-wise. It has a lot of unique features that do put it a big cut above your regular digital audio player. But I'm not going to be talking about those today because I just want you to see what's in the box. So shrink wrap off, and we have a nice box there to get it into shot for you. Now, if I recall correctly, get it to wiggle out. There we go. Get this out of the way. Get it back into the middle for everyone to see. And gently coax the box open. And there we are. The AK240. With a screen protector already included. And this whole thing pops out, and you just gently coax the player out. It's quite a tight fit. There we have it. Protectors front and back, the volume control, and that nice isometric shape, which kind of looks deceptive in the photos. I hope there's not enough shot for you. I'll do another rotation. The micro SD card slot, which is, it's got a protective cover over it at the moment. There's that. In the box, I gather, if I pop this open, is another box with nicely wrapped case. I gently peel that sticker. Now they tell me, of course, the cases only come in this olive green. You get only one choice of colour. It's rather an unusual choice of colour. I hope the lighting, this is more overcast lighting from the window, so I hope the colour comes through all right. That's that case. Leather case. And a card with information about the leather. That is from a company, Minerva. I'm going to be putting that on the AK240 later, so I will put all those bits and pieces back in the box for later use. And last but not least should be a small box with a USB cable with Astle & Kern branding. And I guess this is a slot protector for the micro SD card slot if you use the internal memory. And anyhow, there we have the AK240 unboxed. And I shall see you again from the next meet. The next video will be from the meet here at Southern California, and I hope you enjoyed my AK240 unboxing.